In the near future, the Bolshak Scholarship Program will be integrated into a system of support for gifted children, as announced by Kazakh Secretary of State Gulshara Abdikalikova during an international conference, BARCEF 2015. According to her, supervisor of talented children in schools and further support for them until receiving the international scholarship will significantly improve the quality of country's human capital. Now, the program is facing new challenges, the secretary stressed. So starting next year, the training of specialists will be carried out mainly on innovative and technical skills necessary for the implementation of the program knowledge-all. In addition, requirements for applicants will be stiffened. Specific requirements have been tightened on language and choice of profession. Experts say from now on, more attention will be paid on the ratings of specialization, not to the top 100 or 200 universities. This year's conference brought prominent international scientists and experts in the field of education. Foreign visitors have noted the progress the program has reached in 20 years. More than 8,000 highly qualified specialists have graduated from Bolshak, and today they work successfully in various fields such as industry, agriculture, education, and information technology. According to foreign experts, Kazakhstan's educational scholarship program, Bolshak, has become an example to follow for many other countries.
I can see now many countries copying or following the example of Bolshak. For example, in Brazil, 4 years ago, the government announced a program called Science Without Borders to send 100,000 students in 4 years, but really they were emulating the Bolshak program. I think this is one very powerful instrument to accelerate the transformation of Kazakh society and economy.
For many years, the conference Bolshak has been acting as not just a dialogue platform for experts and graduate programs, but as an educational fair. And the world's leading universities had the opportunity to tell about their training programs to Kazakhstani students at Friday's fair as well.